Guys, do you want to edit a collection on Instagram? So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So just to make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then just simply come to a profile section and then tap on the three lines on the top right and then tap on saved. It will show you all of the collection which you have made it. So just simply select a collection which you want to add it and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then here you'll see a edit collection option. Just in order to edit it, just simply tap on it. So here in edit section you can simply change the cover of your specific collection. Just simply select any of the posts which you want to add as a cover to your collection, like in this way. And here you can also change the name of your collection, and then you can delete this collection from delete collection option. So if you want to just remove a particular post to your collection, in order to do that, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner and then tap on select and select the particular post or reel which you want to remove from your specific collection. Just select it, and then here you can see the remove from saved option on the bottom left. Just in order to remove it, simply tap on it and tap on remove. So that's how you can easily add a collection on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.